Hi everyone, my name is Anmol Malvi and currently I am working as a data analyst. Today in this video, we will see how we can hide filter pane and navigation pane while you embed a report on web or on a website. So many times it happens that when you embed a report, then you are tired of seeing this filter pane, and in the below you can see the navigation pane, and there is no direct option to hide these. So what you can do is you just have to copy this link of your report and paste it into a new tab, or you can also paste it into notepad. Then you have to add two codes which I will share it with you. So you can see I have two nodes. So first we will copy this and paste this. What this says is you can see navigation content pane enabled is equals to false. So this will hide the navigation pane, and similarly we have to add this next command which is at the end of the code. So this will say that filter pane enabled is equals to false. So you have to add these two commands. You can find these in the description. I will paste them, and once you add this command you simply have to click on enter, or if you are doing this in notepad then you have to paste the link in the browser, and then you can move ahead, and now you can see the filter pane and the navigation pane has been disappeared. So that's all about in this video. Thank you.